Good afternoon, everyone. Jeffrey Daniels, Realtor here in Phoenix, Arizona, showing you our newest listing here on Barbados Place. Take a look at this neighborhood. I love this. We are right near 7th Avenue and Glendale. These were built in 1974. This unit here is tucked down to the very end. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Come in through this private gate here into, check out this courtyard. It's got to be 105 degrees outside, and you have this private courtyard in here as your entryway. It's got to be 10 degrees cooler in here. Right away to the left, this is where your 2-car garage. Plenty of parking in here. And even when you park in your garage, you're going to walk through this awesome courtyard every day right on when you come into the home. You see this sliders on both sides of the courtyard come in through these awesome double doors. So we've got saltile tile throughout. There are skylights throughout as well, so a good bit of natural light. Again, built in 74, so you kind of have this sunken living room in here. Vaulted ceiling with the beams. These places are so cool. Let's see, we can start over here. So with your chandelier, here you still have, this is kind of your separate dining area. Tons of natural light coming in through the skylight here, and that's split to go into the living area den as well. Pretty nice kitchen. Your stackable washer dryer here in the kitchen. You have your water heater back in that area. Then you have a breakfast bar set up here. You could do like another little dinette in this area, but beautiful cabinets. It does have the fireplace with a closet beside. See the cut-ins to the wall there? I guess that back in the day you would have put your television or your entertainment center in there. Here's your first slider coming out to the courtyard that we just came through. So it kind of circles around back into this main area with the sunken. So again, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So as we come down to this side of the house, to the right is your owner's suite. Ceiling fans. Slider out to that private courtyard into the owner's bath. Hey everyone, dual vanity here. You have the, looks like upgraded recently to a granite countertop in here. You have the pedestal sink. Awesome shower, huge walk-in shower there, tiled throughout. And then you have a walk-in closet which comes through into another little closet pantry area with some built-in cabinetry and drawers. And then that comes into our second bedroom, which also has, it looks like it would be a closet, but it's kind of a separation, which looks like it was set up with a desk built in here. So it could definitely be repurposed into making better use of the room, or if this just needed to be an office. I love that it has the original iMac in there. That's kind of an older piece. This closet, this is like a walk-in closet out here in the hallway. Giant closet space. So there's a ton of options, a great deal of storage. For a unit. These are built-in linen closet in that area. Here is your second bathroom. Still primarily original. This one has the tub, but again with the skylights throughout the house, you can see where all the tons of natural light comes through. Again, we've only had this one on the market. Just put it on coming into our first weekend here, so definitely had a lot of interest online, so I thought I'd come out and do a virtual tour for you guys. If you have questions about this one, any other homes, please, I'll put a link down below to more information on this property and to my website. So jeffreydanielsrealtor.com. Hope you guys have a healthy and safe 4th of July weekend. Thanks for checking out my video. Bye-bye.